Rising of Dow is due to dash multiplication of yeast, emulsification, production of carbon dioxide, hydrolysis of wheat flour starch into sugar. Rising of dough is due to the production of carbon dioxide, which carbon dioxide creates bubbles in the dough and it leads to rising of dough. An enzyme catalyzing the removal of nucleotides from the ends of DNA is dash. An enzyme catalyzing the removal of nucleotides from the ends of DNA is dash. Endonuclease, exonuclease, DNA ligase, hint second, exonuclease. Next question. While isolating DNA from bacteria, which of the following enzymes is not used? While isolating DNA from bacteria, which of the following enzymes is not used? Lysozyme, ribonuclease, protease, deoxyribonuclease. Which option is correct? Deoxyribonuclease. Next question. An antibiotic resistance gene in a vector usually helps in the selection of a dash, competed cell, transformed cell, recombinant cells, none of these. An antibiotic resistance gene in a vector usually helps in the selection of a dash. Selection and transformed cells. Next question. Which of the following is not a source of restriction endonuclease? Haemophilus influenza, Escherichia coli, Entamoeba coli, Bacillus amoeloflexensis, Entamoeba coli. Which of the following should be chosen for best yield if one were to produce a recombinant protein in a large amount? Laboratory flask of largest capacity, a steered tank, bioreactor without inlets and outlets, a continuous culture system, any of the a continuous culture system. Who among the following was awarded the Nobel Prize for the development of PCR technique? Herbert Bayer, Hargobind Khurana, Carey Mullis, Arthur Kornberg. Carey Mullis. Next question. All organisms located on the same chromosome dash form different groups depending upon their relative distance, will not form any linkage groups, form one linkage group. Which option is correct? Form one linkage group. Distance between the genes and percentage of recombination shown dash. Distance between the genes and percentage of recombination shows a direct relationship, as inverse relationship, a parallel relationship, no relationship, an inverse relationship. Per person having genotype IAIB would show the blood group as AB. This is because of pleiotropy, codominance, segregation, incomplete dominance. Codominance. What do you mean by codominance? When F1 generation resembles both parents, this is called codominance. This is often seen when codominance is seen. This is often seen in ABO blood grouping, since both A and B sugars are dominant. Hence, it results in a B blood group. Next question. A cross between two tall plants resulted offspring having few dwarf plants. What would be the genotypes of both the parents? Capital T, capital T, and capital T, small t. Capital T, small t, and capital T, small t. Capital T, capital T, and capital T, capital T. Capital T, small t, and small t, small t. B option, capital T, small t, and capital T, small t. Mendel's law of independent assortment holds good for genes situated on the dash. Non-homologous chromosome, homologous chromosome, extranuclear genetic element, same chromosome. Non-homologous chromosome. Occasionally, a single gene may express more than one effect. The phenomenon is called dash multiple allelism, pleiotropy, multiple allelism, polygyny, pleiotropy.